that online application, because application function, binary application. But then some this mechanical way, that is oscillation of pressure sensitivity to medium. So we need medium. When I say you medium is air, and receiver like here detected the changes in pressure. Find that production, control, transmission, reception, and effect of sound. This is on the input. This is from Leonardo da Vinci. When placed the head of a long tube in the water, you hear a shift at a great distance. Transmission through the air is through the water is better than through the air because of that. So application area is sonar, underwater communication, indoor localization, and navigation. Or seismic exploration is space. And when source of shock wave is then wave and receiver is hydro. So there are many reflected waves and oil field. Then how does it work? Second, to locate of data. Data and electromagnetic waves. So it's similar with sonar, but that's different. That picture is image from the idea coming from nature. And why sonar, not radar? Radar is then electromagnetic wave, so it makes loss in the shore. That figure that this is the amount of loss. So you see that EM wave is much more than acoustic wave. And this means high decibel, high pressure. There are three types of carrier wave: electromagnetic wave, acoustic wave. Because of loss, a electromagnetic wave only carry several meters, and wave is more than several meters, so several hundred meters, and acoustic wave several kilometers. The electromagnetic wave carry or the limitation is due to high absorption and attenuation, and also big antenna also needed. So consider the design complex and cost. Optical wave is similar with the electromagnetic wave. High data rate transmission, but rapidly observed in the water. Acoustic wave cannot carry more data, but it has low absorption characteristics. So several and longer range absorption like the chaos. It is important. So because of this, it's a lot of use. Active and passive sonar. Active is used to send and receive. And passive sonar is only receive. When sending signal, you notify that to others where I am. So by the sunlight, they never send signal because they want to hide and just wait. And this is the signal to identify where the animal is. This is polarization. Polarization is determining the effect of vision, target, and polarization from creation. It is decibel. It's active one, so there are out and in pressure. And we are using logarithmic scale. Power is proportional intensity level and scale down pressure. Yeah, there you go. When doing the experiment, the power proportional by that here only N or only R. Yeah, only because I can explain and I want to like that to and doing right is only R. And when paper is 4 by so something that will so next time different. Yeah. Sometimes propagation loss is so propagation loss is how much we can receive. Yeah. So here is transmission loss. So it's 0 and operational point system and transmission loss. And transfer and noise. That noise is machinery noise, flow noise, and powering. Flow noise is around the ship, and powering also passive drop speed, and sexual attachment or traffic. Communication due to propeller. Ambient noise is aerodynamic noise. Noise ocean traffic effect is from other ship and bio colors. This picture of ambient noise. Landscape, ship, yeah, can see low frequencies and high frequencies. And inside because of rain or snow factors. Active and passive communication. Receiving electronics and display receiving sonar. And nowadays, you can draw a picture or like sound visualization. And the symbol, you can see the symbol meaning of this. And when 2 p.m. like this, next page, you can see next page. So the pixelization is like that, and the pixelization is 이제 준비하긴 하는데 이거 수업을 하게 됐는데 디스커션이 있어서 지금 무시하고 했습니다. Because done with my return presentation is like that, and it was done with the listening, medium, and increasing density. And in the water depends on the temperature, pressure, and salinity. In fact, it increases with temperature and salinity and depth. And on an empirical formula by Menotti, like that. There are 3 zones of temperature. First is isothermal layer, and like decrease and will decrease in deep ocean. Speed of sound is slight increase, also increase in pressure, and slight decrease due to decrease in temperature. Finally, slight increase due to increase in pressure. And wave reflection when sound has one medium and another medium, the sound speed change is reflection. And this relationship between the angle and velocity is described by Snell's law. Sound and channel. When sound near the surface, it reflects downwards by the influence of temperature, and further below, it is reflected upwards by the impact of pressure. So sound waves are trapped in this region, and so low frequency waves may travel thousands of kilometers. And next page is application system. Active echo ranging sonar. Active is sending and and receiving. So the sonar generates bursts of transmit sound and picks up echo reflected from target. So we can determine both direction and distance. The multi-beam echo standard used to map the seabed. Unlike other sonar, use beamforming to extract directional information from the sound wave. It is able to provide the understanding of the difference in material and texture type of the seabed, like land, mud, river, ocean. The subduction profile is type of land river flow. So log layer and layer. There are acoustic system for ASW. ASW means anti-submarine warfare. It's branch of underwater warfare that use surface warship aircraft, flying track, or destroy enemy. Underwater communication is technique of sending and receiving message flow on water. Because we are acoustic, we are use acoustic wave, so it has low data. Yeah, low, not many data. Acoustic positioning. First area is use C floor, is when transporter vector. ABL is very high accuracy, and USBL is USBL accuracy is not so bad for ABL. ABL, USBL transducer already used to measure the target distance from the transducer by using tuner runtime. Variation sensor. Operator sensor is to produce velocity data about object at the same time. I apply that. Imagine scanning sonar is transmit ground pulse and convert the returning response into digital signal, digital image. Acoustic surveillance system is use XOSUS. XOSUS is a chain of underwater listening points located around the world. Initial intent is for tracking Soviet turbines. Now they use another intent. Yeah, basically. That's it, yeah.